Another day, another story. 7 secrets to building a $1 million portfolio. Expert investment strategies revealed. And a bonus. Hey there, future millionaires. Get ready to unlock the secrets of building a $1 million portfolio with our viral video. 7 secrets to building a $1 million portfolio. Expert investment strategies revealed. I'm Alec, your guide to mastering the world of investing and achieving financial greatness. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most incredible investment strategies that have been buzzing across YouTube and Facebook. In this video, we've curated the top 7 secrets that will guide you on the path to building a $1 million portfolio. Let's dive into the world of wealth creation through smart investing. Secret number 1, the power of long-term investing. Discover the importance of a long-term investment mindset and how it can generate substantial returns over time. We'll share the benefits of compounding and how staying invested can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Secret number 2, diversification, your key to risk management. Learn the art of diversifying your investment portfolio to reduce risk and increase potential returns. We'll discuss asset allocation, investing in different sectors and regions, and the benefits of spreading your investments across various asset classes. Secret number 3, unleashing the potential of dividend investing. Explore the world of dividend investing and how it can provide a steady stream of income while allowing your investments to grow. We'll share tips on selecting dividend-paying stocks and building a portfolio of reliable dividend stocks. Secret number 4, the art of value investing. Discover the principles of value investing and how it can help you identify undervalued stocks with strong growth potential. We'll discuss fundamental analysis, finding intrinsic value, and investing in companies with solid financials. Secret number 5, harnessing the power of technology, investing in the digital age. Learn how to leverage technology to your advantage in the world of investing. We'll explore the opportunities presented by fintech, robo-advisors, and online platforms that make investing more accessible and cost-effective. Secret number 6, mastering the art of market timing. Gain insights into market trends and timing your investments for optimal returns. We'll discuss technical analysis, market indicators, and strategies for buying low and selling high in various market conditions. Secret number 7, the importance of continual learning and adaptability. Embrace a growth mindset and commit to lifelong learning in the world of investing. We'll share resources, books, and educational platforms that can help you stay informed, adapt to market changes, and make informed investment decisions. And there you have it. The 7 secrets to building a $1 million portfolio that will propel you towards financial success. Remember, investing is a journey, and by applying these expert strategies, you can achieve your wealth goals and secure a prosperous future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow investors who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. Together, we can build a community of empowered investors on the path to financial abundance. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's dive deeper into a gift bonus, each of these secrets, and uncover the strategies that can help you build a $1 million portfolio. Secret number 1, the power of long-term investing in today's fast-paced world. It's easy to get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. But successful investors understand the power of long-term investing. By staying invested in quality assets over time, you can benefit from compounding returns and ride out market volatility. Secret number 2, diversification. Your key to risk management. One of the fundamental principles of investing is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions, you can reduce the risk associated with individual investments. Diversification allows you to capture the upside potential of various sectors while minimizing the impact of any single investment's downturn. Secret number 3, unleashing the potential of dividend investing. Dividend investing is a strategy that focuses on investing in companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By choosing dividend-paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of passive income while your investments continue to grow. Reinvesting these dividends can accelerate the growth of your portfolio over time. Secret number 4, The art of value investing. Value investing is about identifying stocks that are trading at a discount to their intrinsic value. By conducting thorough fundamental analysis and looking for companies with solid financials and strong growth potential, you can uncover hidden gems in the market. Patience and a contrarian mindset are key to successful value investing. Secret number 5. Harnessing the power of technology. Investing in the digital age. In today's digital age, technology has revolutionized the way we invest. Fintech innovations, robo-advisors, and online brokerage platforms have made investing more accessible and cost-effective than ever before. Embrace these technological advancements and leverage them to your advantage in managing your portfolio. Secret number 6. Mastering the art of market timing. While market timing is often viewed as a risky endeavor, understanding market trends and making well-timed investment decisions can enhance your returns. Technical analysis, which involves studying price patterns and indicators, can help you identify entry and exit points in the market. However, it's important to note that market timing is not foolproof and should be approached with caution. Secret number 7. The importance of continual learning and adaptability. The world of investing is dynamic and ever-changing. To stay ahead, it's crucial to commit to continual learning and adaptability. Stay informed about market trends, explore new investment strategies, and constantly update your knowledge. This ongoing education will empower you to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial markets. In conclusion, by incorporating these 7 secrets into your investment approach, you can set yourself on the path to building $1 million portfolio. Remember, investing is a long-term journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your portfolio grow. Here's to your financial success. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are eager to unlock the secrets of building $1 million portfolio. Together, we can create a community of empowered investors on the path to financial freedom. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.